Engage deflectors as a precaution, and we will see you there.
Copy that. Deflectors engaged. We're a go, Red 3.
All right, people, let's prep those transports.
Let's move! Ignite the spark!
Fight the fire!
Attention, everyone. I am Major K. Bana, leader of the resistance units here on Batu. To our new recruits, thank you for answering the call. You've joined us at a critical time. We managed to stay just beyond the reach of the First Order, but now we believe our location may have been compromised. So time is running out. We are readying transports that will take you to rendezvous with General Organa. As you may have seen, you will be escorted by some of the finest pilots in the Resistance. Speaking of which, here to brief you is Squad Captain Brenna Larkin. Captain, they're all yours.
Absolutely, thank you. You'll be joining the other recruits to rendezvous with General Organa. We will do everything we can to make sure that you arrive there safely. You'll have us as an escort with Commander Poe Dameron flying point. You're in good hands. So, excited for your first day?
Yeah! Captain, what's the status?
Ship's fueled, crew's on deck, we're good to go.
Good. We came to Batu to reignite the Resistance. In your faces I see courage, honor, in some uncertainty, even fear, but in everyone I see resistance! Burning as fierce in you as it is in me. I stood with Princess Organa against an empire. Today, we stand with General Organa against an order! Let's make it the last of its kind! So they know we're here. Let's give them a fight! They think we'll quit! Let us show them that they are wrong! They are led by darkness and evil! We are led by heroes! Yes! It's time to step up and join them! We're not all that's left, but we're the ones the rest are waiting for! We are the Resistance! All right, everyone, remain in this location. Captain Larkin, you want to say any words in closing?
Absolutely, sir. Resistance! Ignite the spark!
Light the fire! Again, everyone, remain in this location. Pilots and crew, suit up and gear up.
Let's move!
Let's get your mission underway.
And now, please welcome Chairman of Disney Parks, Experiences and Products, Bob Chapek.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Batu on this chilly evening. Star Wars has held a special place in our hearts for fans and families around the world for more than 40 years. From the moment that first screen call appeared in 1977 to the premiere of The Mandalorian on Disney Plus just a few weeks ago, we have been captivated by its fantastic worlds, irresistible heroes and villains, incredible creatures, and epic stories. Each generation has made Star Wars their own. And every Star Wars fan, including me, has ever wanted to do is to experience it firsthand. And that's exactly what this land is all about. And since opening at Disneyland Resort earlier this year, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge has exceeded our and our guests' expectations. The land, its attraction, its merchandise, and even its music have been recognized over and over again, winning numerous awards from a host of media outlets and industry organizations. Tonight, we're welcoming the world to experience the Star Wars universe like never before, with the opening of the most ambitious, the most immersive, the most advanced, high-energy attraction we've ever created. Star Wars: Rise of the Resistance. Rise of the Resistance is unlike anything you've ever experienced before. In fact, we threw out the rule book when designing this attraction, just like George Lucas did when he created the story that brings us all here today. Star Wars: Rise of the Resistance can only be described as epic. You'll be drawn into a sprawling Star Wars story that blurs the lines between fantasy and reality with breathtaking special effects, vivid and meticulous detail, and surprises around every turn. And it's all part of an epic battle between the Resistance and the First Order. This is immersive, experiential storytelling on a massive cinematic scale. How massive? Well, Star Wars: Rise of the Resistance is one of our longest attractions ever, housed in one of our largest show buildings ever, and powered by some of the most advanced technology that we have ever put into our parks. Simply put, Star Wars: Rise of the Resistance sets a new standard for what a theme park experience can be, just like Galaxy's Edge itself. Here, you can live your very own Star Wars adventure. And since opening at the Walt Disney World and Disneyland resorts, Galaxy's Edge has welcomed millions of guests and is already amongst the top-rated lands at both sites. And of course, none of this would be possible without the team at Walt Disney Imagineering who created this amazing attraction. Thank you and congratulations. There is a cast member at the heart of every magical Disney experience, and that's certainly true here at Galaxy's Edge. So, I want to thank the amazing Walt Disney World team, and especially the citizens of Batuu who have breathed life into this amazing land. And now, as we prepare for tomorrow's opening, it's my honor to invite guests to live their very own Star Wars adventure.
And now, please experience your own Star Wars story throughout every corner of Star Wars: Galaxy's Edge.